Hello, hello. So this is the algebra review algebra. We're going to go over a few questions. Which one shall we start on? We're going to start on a nice, no, we'll not do the one step. We'll start with the two steps. So number 5, start with this one right here, number 5. So algebra is always about opposites and doing to both sides. There's always an imaginary line down the middle. So start with getting rid of the whole numbers. So plus 5 plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5 equals 0, so that's gone. 9 plus 5 is 14. Bring down the 7. 7x equals 14. So 7 times x, divide by 7, divide by 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1, so that just cancels each other out. 14 divided by 7 is 2, x equals 2. That is your answer. Awesome. So the one below here, number 6, all the same steps, but you're just going to multiply by 3 both sides. Multiply by 3. So get rid of the whole number, multiply by 3. Okay, let's do number 7 next, because that is a question with variables on both sides. Variables on both sides, which is kind of hard. With those ones, you want to start by getting rid of, putting all the variables on one side, and then you'll have a 1 or 2 step equation after that. So I always like to move my variables from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. So let's do that first. So minus x. So remember that's 1x. If it's just an x by itself, 1x. Minus 1x. Cross it up. Cross it up. 2 take away 1 is 1x. I'm just going to write that as x plus 5 equals, those two cancel each other out, 10. So now we have just a one-step equation. Once you get to here, we should be back to basics. So take away 5, take away 5, those two will cancel each other out. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Bring x down. It's not a 1, it's not a, it's not a 2, it's not a 3. We're done. X equals 5. That's your answer. All right, so collecting like terms is the next one we want to look at. So with collecting like terms, I'm going to look through there. I'm going to do 11. It's a bit harder. And then you guys will have to do 10 on your own. I'll leave you the easier one, just to make sure you're watching. So with collecting like terms, you have to decide which ones are like terms. And they're like terms if they have the same variable. So they have to have the same variable. So 9c, so c is one type. And whatever the equation number or marker is, that goes to the right, that sticks to it. So negative 4c. Are there any more c's? No, so I'm just going to write this down. 9c take away 4c. All right, what else do we have here? We've got x, so plus 7x. It was plus because that sticks to the right of it. Whatever's to the left of the variable sticks it. That one goes to the right, however you want to look at it. Negative 3. So it becomes 7x take away 3x. And then finally we've got the whole numbers. We've got negative 9 plus 6. You can write that in any order. You could do 6 take away 9 or negative 9 plus 6. Really up to you. I'm going to do negative 9 plus 6. Okay, so now we're going to find all the answers to this and then put it together as one full equation. So 9c take away 4c equals 5c. 7x take away 3x equals 4x. So these are all positives. And then negative 9 take away, or negative 9 plus 6 equals negative 3. Now you write it out as all as one equation. It doesn't matter which order you put it in. 5c, it's positive, plus 4x take away 3. And that is your answer for that one. Now let's do one more. Remember, these are all freebies, so you might as well be following along. So these ones you have to collect the like terms then solve it. So collect the like terms, then solve it. And for this one, it's a bit different. You only collect the like terms on the same side of the equation. What I mean same side? This is one side, to the right of the equal sign, and this is the other side, to the left of the equal sign. So 13, for example, you collect these, put those two together, and you put these ones together. Then you'd go start solving a normal equation. Let's take a look at this one. So 12, well, we have only two like terms. We have 5x and positive 3x. Positive 5, that's not a like term. It's a like term with this one, but it's on the left side of the equal sign. So let's just put these together. So we've got 8x plus 5. And that's it. 5x plus 3x. I put those together, they become that one. 5 is just normal, and 11 is on this side, or negative 11. Negative 11. Now we have a two-step equation. Remember, always watch out for the negatives right there. Negative 6, negative 5. Take away 5 from both sides. So negative 11, take away 5. If you're unsure about positive negatives, use a calculator. I'm not around to nag you. Just do it. So we get negative 16. 8x equals negative 16. 8 times x, so divide by 8. Divide by 8. Negative 16 take away, divided by positive 8 is negative 2. X equals negative 2. Okay, enjoy.